Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to continue our study here of the pop progression in the key of D with the classic tune With or Without You by U2. The fun thing is we're going to learn it in the key of D, which there's an upside and a downside. The downside is we finally have to tackle this big, bad B minor chord. Don't worry, I'll make a separate video so you have some tips on that one. But the upside is that you'll be able to play along with U2's original recording, which is in the key of D. So take your pick. You can transpose it, but then you can't play along and rock out with them. So I think it'll be worth your time. B minor is a nice bar chord to try. And the other great thing is it's such a repetitive pattern. It's literally just the pop progression throughout the entire song in the same rhythm, the same beat. It'll give you some nice practice while also enjoying a great tune alongside it. All right, so let's take a look. The pop progression in the key of D starts on your D chord, index, middle, and ring here on the second fret of G, C, and E. For some folks, it feels easier to play with your middle ring and pinky, or some other sort of combination of fingers, whatever works for you. I know it can be a little tough to get all those fingers on the fretboard. Starting on D, we'll go to A. Now here's a perfect example. I might otherwise also play A7. It didn't really feel like it fit with this original recording. So remember that in this case, the A or the A7, the second chord in the pop progression sequence, could be a 7 chord or not. They're a bit interchangeable depending on the mood of the song. In this case, we're going to go just a regular old A. Then here comes that B minor chord. Now technically, you're going to play it as a bar chord. As I said, I'll make a separate video with some tips on bar chords. But in general, I've got my bar on the second fret. I'm sticking those fingers up out past the fretboard so that my ring finger doesn't have to reach so far to get to the 4th fret of G. If you are like me from the first several years of playing and are boycotting bar chords, you can play B minor 7, which is all 4 fingers across the 2nd fret. That'll work in this tune. You can also do a half bar by just barring the B minor 7, but leaving out the ring finger for now as you build your bar chord strength. And then finally, we're going to close it out with the G chord. Index and middle on the 2nd fret of C and A respectively, with the ring finger in the middle on the 3rd fret of E. All right, so one more time, D to A to B minor or B minor 7 to G. That is our circle. And it also happens to be the entire progression for the entire song. That's all there is to it in this tune. 1 bar of each, around and around and around, through all the different lyrical patterns, of which there are many. So let me guide you through there. Pretty much though, if you just start with me on these chords, we'll go through, I'll sing all the lyrics, you can hear I'll call out the verses and the chords, but the verses and the choruses, the chords are going to be the same throughout. So let's warm up here with 1 strum of each chord held for 4 beats. Like this, starting on D. Now 1, 2, 3 to A. 1, 2, 3. B minor. 1, 2, 3 to G. 1, 2, 3 again. What's nice about this? 3, 4, 1 is that it gives you plenty of time to get to that next chord by the 1st beat, so feel free to move as soon as you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And when you're ready, add the strum. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or something in between, right? You don't have to go straight to that strum pattern. As you're ready, work that in more and more. Remember to move as soon as you need to get to that next chord by the next downbeat. That's more important. One more time around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's add some words. Verse 1. See the stone set in your eyes. See the thorn twist in your side. I wait for you. hand and twist of fate, a bed of nails she makes me wait, and I wait without you. Here's the first chorus. With or without you, with or without you. Verse 2. Through the storm we reach the shore. You give it all, but I want more, and I'm waiting for you. Chorus 2. With or without you, with or without you, I can't live. With or without you. So that second chorus is the fuller chorus. We'll come back to that one next time we sing the chorus. But here's the bridge. You give yourself away, and you give yourself away, and you give, and you give, and you give yourself away. Verse 3. My hands are tied, my body bruised. She's got me with nothing to win and nothing left to lose. Chorus. With or without you, with or without you, I can't live. With or without you. Oh, 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 with or without you, with or without you, I can't live. With or without you. And on D. Nice job working your way around those chords. Lovely. Come on back, practice with me anytime you need. If you want, you can ditch the strumming so you can really just work on changing to those chords one by one. You can also slow it down if I was going too slow for you. Click on the settings wheel below, and playback speed down to 0.75 slows it down quite a bit. But if you need to, also down to 0.5 is good too. Enjoy your practice on this one. Don't forget to play along with U2 as well. It's an awesome music video, awesome song. Enjoy your practice. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.